So to start off, we've got the pre-wash, which is this one, half foam, and obviously we also bought a half foam gun with the bottle sprayer thing. So we're going to pre-wash the car. First we're going to wrap the car, then we're going to pre-wash the car. Then we're going to wrap all that off, and then I've got the S2 by Nova. This is a half foam shampoo, and that's what we're going to use the mitts for. So I got some nice mitts, I got other mitts as well, new. So we're going to wash the car with this. And then after that, we're going to dry the car with this really nice drying towel by, fuck. That's not good. By Gen Technique, super nice. And then I've pre-washed everything, so I washed all the microfiber things with this shampoo. Then we've also got the ceramic coating shampoo, got the leather cleaner and interior cleaner with the leather like softener. Interior like plastics and stuff cleaner, got the buckets with the grip cards, and this is for the rims. This is to clean the seats. And this is to clean the inside of the car, like the vents and stuff like that. So yeah, we're pretty good to go. We're going to wash the car now, jump in the pool quickly, and then we're going to be washing the wagon inside the garage. So that's going to be quite new.
SDG.
While standing in a puddle.
Oh yeah, cheers, brother. Yetta, what are we up to, right? Causing cuck in the garage.
Okay guys, so we're going to use the easy code from G Technique, and it's a it's a 3-month ceramic coating, and yeah, you just apply it like a shampoo, and then we're going to rinse the car, and then we should have 3 months of the ceramic coating. Yeah, we know what we're doing, I swear. Let's go. so scary. I just so basically full. Oh, I forgot to put the